Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a BrownNoise machine. So this is the box it came in, and it comes with a power cord as well as a charging block, so that's pretty awesome. So basically, you just hit the button on, and then this controls your volume, and then this goes through all your different sounds. Oh, and it has a timer, so you can basically continuous 1 hour, 2, 3, 4. So I'll put it on continuous, like infinite loop. Then it has a light on it that you can control from here. I think we like it with the light on. It gives a nice little cool look to it. And then you just go through the different noises. It's like a fire, a tree noise, instrumental. Like a heart. There's just so many. And that's kind of like your waves, different levels. And if you like one, you can go back. So there's a bunch of different choices. So many, my fingers are getting tired. But again, just rain on a roof. Babbling brook. Anyway, there's just like, it's almost endless. So I'll go back to a couple. I'll just kind of like leave that on. But yeah, what a great little BrownNoise machine. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.